Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for May 19, 2020. On the left side, that's the chart of the SPY daily chart. As you can see that yesterday the market they push it up very high. They have a good day yesterday. So today the people take some profit and they gap up yesterday. So probably they try to pull back and fill up the gap here before they can gain some momentum and go higher. So if you look on the right side at the evening SP 500 future contract, and you can see that in the morning the market it goes sideways, and after that they push it back up, so that a lot of people thinking the market will continue to go higher. So when they try to go the upside, they put a stop loss, they come back, take them out, and then they put down to the 2-day target. So 2-day target is that the thing that we're doing every day in our live trading room. So we let our member know ahead that even though they put it back up, but the trend direction for today it go down to the blue box here. This is where our today target. So the market that after they go up, they go sideways. At the end of the day, they push it back down right into the box and done for the day. So that's why it's very important, especially when you are a day trader. You need to know where the trend direction of the market so you can be in the right side. Otherwise, it's very easy for you to lose money because if you don't know where they going heading to. Okay, so if you look at a short-term time frame, so you can see that on the left side, that the bigger time frame we already draw the target for today. So the market it goes sideways after they break the support here, and everything it goes south to next level here. So as you can see that in a smaller time frame, the market is in the morning where the market open, they go sideways, go nowhere, but they are not come down because they have a support level here. They hold up, they hold up. So when they hold up here, and then when I get out from the live trading room, and the market be able to hold up and push it back up to take a quick trade, make some money here and get out at the sell zone. And after that, the market goes sideways and then they hang it up there. So you can see that the trend line here until the last minute, they break the trend line, boom, they come right here back to the buy zone and we get out and done for the day. And then after that, the market it continue to drop out to the end of the day. Uh, so this is the two quick trade, and the net profit for today, we're able to make a two quick trade for $2,193 for May 19. So that for today's recap. So this is what we're doing every day in our live trading room. So we guide our members so that they know where the market heading to, so that they can take a trade accordingly to the trend direction. That for short-term income, so they can make some extra income add on to whatever they have. And if you want to learn more about swing trading, you can buy stock and then stay in the trade longer, and you can even make more money uh, in the in the direction of the trend. So if you want to learn more about our technique, our strategy, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. If you like what I'm doing here for you every day, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by click the button below and give me a thumb up. And every time I'm have a new video, I will let you know so that you can take a look. Hopefully, you can learn something from here and make some extra money. Again, so thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.